Welcome everyone. Before starting actual Python tutorials, we have to first know two simple things, that is indentation and comments in Python. This comes first because new programmers often get caught into an indentation error, which is basically a space error. I will use comments on all next videos to increase the readability of code and for your understanding also. So let's start with indentation first. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line. In other languages, indentation is not necessary, but in Python, it is important and mandatory. First, let us look into this. We take two variables a and b and put a simple conditional statement. If a greater than b, it will print a, else it will print b. But when we will run this, we get an error, which is indentation error is stated. To remove this indentation error, I will put just one space before the print statement in line number 4 and one space before print statement in the line number 6, and the code is running fine and we will get output. That it means a simple or single space is mandatory. We can use more spaces but minimum single one. Let us see another example so that it will be cleared about the spaces it requires or it is necessary. We write a simple code here, so don't bother about the code I will use here. After few videos you will be able to write some Python codes. A as 5 and B as 10, and again we will put it under a conditional where if A greater than B, it will print A, otherwise it will print B. But in the if block I will give one tab space, and in else block I will give two tab spaces, so that we can check whether it is running fine or not for the given spaces. So let's finish the code. After finishing, we hit the run button and it's work fine. It means that indentation is specifically for a block only. Each block has different indentation level, so we have to set indentation level for multiple line of codes if there are multiple statements. Now we quickly make a new screen and write some code, and I will fast forward it until the code is complete so that time will be saved. Comment is nothing but it increases the readability of code, which indicates what it is for, and we also use it as for testing or to remove line of codes we don't want to execute without erasing, which we will use later. So we get output for the lines of code. We get 3 lines of output for 3 print statements. Now we put hash symbol or pound symbol before the print statement in line number 5, and after running it we get 2 lines of output. It means that line number 5 will not execute it, and doing same in the line number 4 we get one output. It means hash symbol simply removes the execution of the code. Now we add some more lines of code by using a for loop. Python, we use hash or pound symbol for single line comments, which removes the or skips the execution for one line, and for multi-line comments we use triple quoted sign in which the multiple lines are skipped without execution. So let us check how the multiple line commenting is done in Python. So we put three quoted symbol in line number 4 and line number 9, up to which we want to comment multiple lines, and we see that only for loop will run and we get output from 0 to 6. Now we also use it as a label, like I am writing in line number 4 as multi-line comments, which indicates the programmer or anyone else who see this code will know early that line number 4 indicates it the use of multi-line comments, and by seeing line number 10 where print symbol is converted to a comment by using hash number 10, we do two things. We comment a single line and also use it as a label and state it as single line comment. Thank you.